Are you tired of mystery meals in your freezer? Do you constantly find forgotten ingredients or struggle to locate what you need? It's time to transform your freezer from a frozen wasteland into an organized, efficient powerhouse. Your home freezer is more than just a cold box. It's a vital tool for meal prep, saving money and reducing food waste. Without proper labeling, you risk food spoilage, forgotten ingredients, and endless frustration. Clear labels are essential for knowing exactly what you have. Imagine pulling out a container and instantly knowing it's chicken stock from last month, not beef stew for last year. This precision prevents costly mistakes and ensures your food is safe to eat. Good labeling saves you time, money, and culinary headaches. Labels are fantastic, but they work best with an inventory system. This doesn't mean complex spreadsheets. A simple use first box or section in your freezer ensures older items are used before newer ones. This strategy drastically cuts down on waste. Without a system, freezers become cluttered graveyards of forgotten food. Items get buried, leading to overcrowding and inefficient energy use. An organized freezer runs more efficiently, saving you money on electricity and preserving food quality. Not all labels can withstand the harsh freezer environment. Standard office labels will curl, crack, or fall off when exposed to freezing temperatures. You need labels specifically designed for the freezer. Look for freezer-safe or freezer-grade labels. These labels use special adhesives that stick firmly to plastic, glass, and metal, even in sub-zero conditions. They resist moisture, condensation, and repeated freeze-thaw cycles. Durable materials like plastic-coated labels ensure your writing remains legible. Legibility is key. While inkjet or laser prints can smear, a permanent marker is your best friend for home freezer labels. Write clearly and boldly directly on the label. Consider using a fine-tip permanent marker for detailed information. For ultimate durability, some home cooks use a simple label maker with freezer-safe tape. This creates crisp, professional-looking labels that withstand the cold. Always ensure your writing won't fade or smudge when condensation forms. The adhesive is crucial for a label that stays put. Freezer-safe labels have strong adhesives designed to bond in cold temperatures. Always apply labels to clean, dry containers before freezing them. Applying to a frosted or damp surface will weaken the bond. This simple step ensures your labels remain firmly attached through all the handling and temperature changes. A good adhesive means your label won't peel off, leaving you guessing about your frozen treasures. Labels aren't just for identifying contents. They're powerful organizational tools. Use color-coded labels to categorize different food types. Green for vegetables, red for meats, blue for leftovers. This provides quick visual cues for busy cooks. Consider adding the date frozen, contents, and portion size to each label. This detailed information helps with meal planning and ensures you use food before it loses quality. A well-labeled freezer makes meal prep a breeze. Condensation is the biggest enemy of freezer labels. When you pull a container out, moisture forms, which can smudge ink or loosen labels. Freezer-grade labels are designed to resist this, but proper application is vital. Always label containers when they are at room temperature and completely dry. If you're freezing liquids, leave some headspace for expansion. This prevents containers from bursting and labels from getting damaged. While both need to withstand cold, freezer labels require extreme durability. Refrigerator labels might be fine for short-term storage, but they won't hold up to long-term freezing. Freezer labels use much stronger adhesives and more robust materials. Don't try to use regular fridge labels in the freezer, they will fail. Invest in proper freezer labels for peace of mind and long-lasting organization. The right label for the right job makes all the difference. Don't stop at individual containers. Label your freezer drawers, shelves, or storage bins. This creates a map of your freezer, helping you quickly locate items and return them to their designated spots. Use larger labels for these sections. A well-mapped freezer reduces the time the door stays open, saving energy and maintaining consistent temperatures. This simple step makes your freezer more efficient and protects your stored food. A reliable freezer labeling and inventory system offers immense benefits. You'll spend less time searching, reduce food waste, and save money on groceries. Knowing exactly what you have makes meal planning easier and more efficient. Implementing a use-first strategy ensures proper food rotation, preventing items from getting lost or expiring. This system empowers you to manage your food resources effectively, turning your freezer into a true asset. Even the best labels and systems need consistent effort. Make it a habit to label every item before it goes into the freezer. Train everyone in your household to follow the system. A little discipline goes a long way in maintaining an organized freezer. Create a culture of accountability in your kitchen. When everyone participates, your freezer will remain a well-oiled machine, always ready to support your culinary adventures. Ready to transform your kitchen? Start by investing in quality freezer labels and a permanent marker. Designate a use-first area in your freezer and commit to labeling every item with its contents and date. Don't let your freezer be a mystery box any longer. Label, organize, and conquer your food waste. Share your best freezer organization tips in the comments below and subscribe for more practical kitchen hacks.